The secret to a stress-free tax season next year isn't working harder in April. It is starting right now. Organizing your 2026 taxes early saves you time, money, and panic later. Here is how to get ahead. Designate one physical box or a specific secure digital folder on your computer today. Every time a relevant document arrives, whether it is a donation receipt or a medical bill, drop it there immediately. Stop the paper chase before it starts. If you have any side income or run a small business, stop mixing funds. Open a separate bank account strictly for business. It makes tracking deductible expenses automatic and provides a clean audit trail. Do not try to reconstruct your driving log from memory in December. The IRS won't accept estimates. Download a mileage tracking app on your phone today to automatically log every business trip as it happens. Paper receipts, especially for gas and meals, are printed on thermal paper that fades to white in a few months. Snap a photo or scan these receipts immediately so you have permanent, legible proof of the expense. Keep a running spreadsheet of your charitable giving. Save the email confirmations or acknowledgement letters as they arrive. Small cash donations add up, but you can only deduct what you can prove. Look at your most recent pay stub. If you received a huge refund or owed a lot of money last year, adjust your W-4 with your employer now to smooth out your tax liability for 2026. If you trade cryptocurrency or stocks, export your transaction history monthly. Trying to find the cost basis for a trade you made in January when you are filing next April is a nightmare. If you anticipate high medical costs, keep a specific envelope for pharmacy and copay receipts. You can only deduct medical expenses if they exceed a certain percentage of your income, so every receipt counts. Organization pays off. Don't wait until the deadline to start thinking about your taxes. For year-round planning and expert preparation in Northwest Arkansas, contact Starner Tax Group. Visit stgrogers.tax today.